friends, it's Inspiring Iris, inspiring one awesome kid at a time. I'm here to help you be your best self. So stay tuned for some helpful tips, and let's jump right into this week's message. Friends, it's the end of 2018. I hope you had a really good year and looking forward to something great in 2019. I want you to be your best self, so let's see how we can make this happen. In order to be a better you, you have to do things to make your life better. Do you have goals? Goals are a list of things that you want to be, do, or have. You want to be a doctor? Write it down. You want to go to Paris? Write that down too. Do you want to have great friends and other good things in your life? You guessed it. Write it down. Now, after you've written about 5 or more things, put it somewhere you can see it every day. Read them in the morning when you wake up. Then at night before you go to bed. This will work if you do it every day. Don't let anyone stop you from achieving your goals. I want you to be a success at reaching your highest potential. So remember, make a list, write it down, and read them morning and night. If you like my videos, consider clicking like or subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment down below. And may the rest of your life be the best of your life. See you later. Happy New Year's from Inspiring Iris.